Imagine this. You step outside your home one morning, and the air feels heavier than usual. The sun burns hotter. The seasons feel confused. Winters arrive late, summers refuse to leave. Rain falls when it shouldn't, and disappears when it's needed the most. At first, it feels like just weather. But deep down, a terrifying thought begins to rise. What if the planet itself is getting sick? Hello friends. Welcome to Mysterious Tales X. Today, we are not talking about a distant future. We are talking about right now. We are talking about global warming. A slow, silent force changing Earth in ways most people don't fully understand. This is not a science lecture. This is a reality check. Thousands of years ago, Earth lived in balance. The sun gave warmth. The atmosphere protected life. Nature followed a rhythm, stable, predictable, powerful. Then humans arrived and changed everything. Factories began to rise. Engines started burning fuel. Forests were cut. Cities expanded. Smoke filled the sky. At first, progress felt magical. Machines made life easier. Technology moved faster. Comfort increased. But no one noticed the invisible cost. Every car you drive, every factory that runs, every tree that falls, it releases gases. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide that trap heat inside Earth's atmosphere, like a blanket that never comes off. This is called the greenhouse effect. And that blanket is getting thicker every single day. Here's the frightening part. Global warming doesn't arrive like a disaster movie. There is no single explosion. No sudden ending. It creeps in quietly. Oceans slowly heat up. Glaciers melt inch by inch. Sea levels rise silently. Weather patterns break down. And when nature reacts, it reacts violently. Heat waves that kill thousands. Floods that erase cities overnight. Wildfires that turn forests into ash. Storms stronger than anything in recorded history. These are not random events. They are symptoms. Earth is responding to what we've done. Think about ice. Massive glaciers that existed for millions of years are now melting faster than scientists ever predicted. Greenland, Antarctica, Himalayas. When ice melts, two things happen. Sea levels rise, threatening coastal cities. And sunlight, instead of reflecting off ice, gets absorbed by dark ocean water, making the planet heat even faster. It's a chain reaction. Once started, it's very hard to stop. Now think about oceans. Oceans absorb most of the heat caused by global warming. They also absorb carbon dioxide. This makes them warmer and more acidic. Coral reefs, the rainforests of the ocean, are dying. Fish lose habitats. Food chains collapse. Millions who depend on the sea lose livelihoods. The ocean, once a life giver, is slowly becoming unstable. And then there's something even more dangerous. Permafrost. Frozen land locked with ancient gases for thousands of years. As Earth warms, this frozen ground melts, releasing massive amounts of methane, a gas far more powerful than carbon dioxide. This could trigger runaway warming, a point of no return. Scientists call it a tipping point. Once crossed, no technology may be able to reverse it. But global warming isn't just about nature. It's about people. Farmers lose crops to droughts and floods. Fresh water becomes scarce. Diseases spread to new regions. Heat stress affects the human body. Entire populations may be forced to migrate. Climate refugees. Conflicts over land, water, and food increase. Global warming doesn't just heat the planet. It destabilizes civilization itself. And here's the most disturbing truth. We know all of this. Scientists have warned us for decades. Data is clear. Evidence is overwhelming. Yet action is slow. Why? Because global warming isn't profitable to fix quickly. Because responsibility is shared and blame is avoided. Because short-term comfort feels easier than long-term survival. But nature doesn't negotiate. Earth doesn't care about politics, or profit, or denial. It responds only to actions. Still, there is hope. Global warming is dangerous, but it is not unstoppable. Clean energy, solar, wind, reduced emissions, protecting forests, changing habits. Every small action matters. Because Earth doesn't need perfection. It needs effort. So friends, global warming is not a future problem. It's not someone else's responsibility. It is happening now. It affects everyone. And it will decide the kind of world we leave behind. The real question is not, is global warming real? The real question is, will humanity wake up in time? If this story made you think, if you want more deep, long, reality-based mysteries and explanations, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss what's coming next. Because the biggest mysteries of our time are not hidden in space. They are happening right here on Earth. See you in the next video with another mind-opening truth. Thank you, friends.